The glow of Easter remains. Welcome to Asbury, everyone. It's great to have you here on this Sunday morning. Our risen Lord has promised to be with us always, and he welcomes all of us who have come to worship. So glory be to God in the name of God, the Son, and Holy Spirit. Welcome to Asbury on the second Sunday of Easter. If you are a guest this morning, welcome, whatever it was, or the Spirit that's brought you here. We are glad to have you in our worship. We are glad to have you present as God speaks, maybe in a brand new way. And we ask that you visit our Welcome Center. Let us know what brought you here. And if you're new to Watertown and don't have a spiritual home, I can guarantee you most of these folks will say, well, this is the place to be. So I welcome you this day. And I want to celebrate birthdays. We have Lorraine Irwin. Yay, this week. And Algin Fanya, who decided to skip out on me, so we'll hunt him down with the birthday blessings jar when I see him. So if you know any of those folks, of course, wish them a happy birthday. And now, while I come around with the birthday blessings jar, it's 1 penny for every year that you're celebrating. If you want to give more than that, like $20 a year, you're welcome to do that. This is utilized very well for postage and other things we use in the church office. But while I do that, I'm going to turn things over and embrace the moment as Nicole leads us in this time of worship together.
Good morning. I'm Nicole Lamica, your liturgist for today's service. It's a pleasure to see everyone today, and we welcome those who are streaming with us this morning. If you look inside your bulletin, you will see a couple of upcoming announcements. Everyone is invited today to the Salvation Army for their pancake and French toast breakfast. So that's today after the service. Also, the Asbury Rummage Sale is this Friday and Saturday. And we want to take a minute to thank everyone for your donation of bread today for the Urban Mission. This morning's musical preparation is Now the Green Blade Riseth.